Today I show you how you can pair your socks and keep them nicely arranged so they are easy to use to put on your feet when you need to. Very easy to roll the socks and keep them together so you don't lose any sock and they're always paired when you need them. Check it. Pairing your socks takes a bit of effort at the beginning, but it really pays off when you're in a hurry and you need to get socks quickly. This is really the great thing. Another option is to have all your socks the same model, the same color, the same style, which I actually do. I have two main sets of socks, which are two different types, and then a few extra ones. Pairing the socks is not really a big deal, but if you have any socks that are missing pairs, you could put them in a special container for socks that need a pair. Once you have the pairs together, you can put them on top of each other and you turn them inside out if they are, you make them the right side out, and you put them like this on top of each other, then you start rolling them. It's really not a big deal. You leave this side to be the last and you start from the toes and you roll towards the top of the sock, and then one of the socks becomes a pocket for both socks like this. It becomes like sock balls like that, balls of socks, and when you open one of these things, they are ready to use. They are the right way. You don't have to turn them inside out, and they are matched pairs. This is it. It's really very simple to do, and it will save you some time in the morning when you're getting ready to go somewhere in a rush and you're running to get somewhere quickly. You will have the socks ready to use much faster than if you didn't have them as matched pairs and socks like this, balls of socks. That's it. It's really not a big deal actually, but it's useful. It takes a bit of effort to do at the beginning now, but it pays off later. It's up to you if you do them like this or not. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was useful for you. If you already knew how to do this, that's great, but it's always good to make sure that everyone knows how to do something, and I will show you how to put on the socks with the highest efficiency possible in a future video. Thanks for watching. Camera is really heavy. Oh, yeah. Oh. Today, do it 2 hands. Okay. Today I show you how you can roll your socks. Today I show you how you can roll your socks. No. Let's check it. My hand is hurting. It's really heavy. These are the travel tips. And it's really hot from the window here.